completed the academic details. So then we are getting into the guardian details, where you need to mention your father's name and mother's name along with their occupation and annual income. Since my father is a graduate, I'm mentioning this graduate, and my father's occupation is he is doing a business, so I'm clicking this business. And annual income, my father's income is 4,20,000 as per last year March 2011. I'm making it as 2,01 to 4,50,000. My mother is a housewife and she studied 9th standard. I'm mentioning it as below class 10th, and she is a housewife. I've clicked this other part including housewife and making it as nil. So I've completed the guardian details. Next we are getting into the examination passed or likely to be passed. Here you need to mention the examination passed or appearing. Since I'm appearing in 12th, I'm mentioning it as 12th, and you need to mention the examination name. That is, I'm appearing for the Central Board of Secondary Examination. Then, if at all if Tamil Nadu Board, mention it as 12th Tamil Nadu Board of Higher Secondary Examination. The Board of University will automatically retrieve from the information of academic details. Then the students need to mention the school along with the address. So since I have carried out in Don Bosco School, I am mentioning my school name. Mention your correct school name along with the address, along with the pin code. So then year of passing automatically be retrieved from the academic details. So then roll number, if at all if it is allotted, you can mention, otherwise you can skip this. Then kindly appear the security pin which is appearing on your screen. So since I am getting this, it will be in green word. So I have clicked this. So once you have completed all these things, then you can click next. So once you have clicked next, the review page will open. So if you want to make any corrections in this page, you can do corrections at this moment, and kindly make sure whether you have filled up everything correctly. And if at all if you want to make corrections, go back and make your corrections. If you make sure whether you have filled up everything correctly, then click the final one, submit. Then it will ask you yes please do. If you don't want, and if you want to make corrections, please click no and go and make corrections. So I make sure I have made everything correctly, so I am clicking yes please do. So here comes the registration page. We have completed the first step, and you need to note down in a separate paper of this registration number. If required, you can print this page also. So my application number is 211407. Then click here to pay the examination fee. So my registration number is 211407. Then and even you can pay through a credit card or debit card, or you can make through a demand draft. Since I have got through demand draft, you can make this through demand draft. And make sure you have given the correct information whichever you have filled up on the application form. Date of birth. Then once again you need to mention the security pin which is appearing on your screen. Then click submit. So once you have submitted, the next page will open where it will ask you the demand draft number. You need to mention the demand draft. The demand draft number might be available at the bottom of your demand draft. So my demand draft number is 897456. I got it from the State Bank of India. And you need to mention the date of issue. Since I have taken it today, and I am mentioning it today's date. And you need to mention the issuing bank. Since I have taken it from the State Bank of India, mention the respective bank. And you need to mention the address of the bank. Since I have taken it from Alva Pet branch, so I am mentioning it as Alva Pet, Chennai, with the pin code if available. Once you have given the details, and you need to submit this. So this comes to the end of the second part where we have given the uploaded the demand draft details. Next you need to click here to take the printout of the confirmation page. So this is the third part of the application form, where so here you can have all the information. Is the completed form where the students need to check all the relevant details whatever they have filled it up. And normally the students should have, they would have taken the two colors photographs. So you need to fill up One on the left hand side part, you need to get attestation here. One on the right hand side part, you don't need to get any attestation. The photograph should be fixed within this box, and you need to get the left hand thumb impression here. The Isa hair left hand thumb impression is required here, and the students need to sign here, and parents also should sign here. So once you have completed all these things, go to the bottom page. You need to get the signature from the principal along with the seal at the bottom of the page. Make sure you have got the right DD number and amount, everything, and make sure you have taken the attestation off on the photograph, off on the outside of the application form. You should not be on the face. Make sure you have filled up all the details. Once you have got this, have this printout for 5 printouts, and along with this you need to have the DD and all the relevant details you need to attach and send through speed post 2. So this comes to the end of the application part. You can take this printout here. So if you attach to the printout, you can attach directly, or you can go back at any moment. You can note down your application number, and this page you can retrieve at any moment. Since I am having the printer here, you can take the printout here itself automatically, or again you can close it here. So anytime you can go back and you can apply at any time. You can retrieve the confirmation page. You can make your payment at any time. So once you have completed, we have given all the relevant details that whether you have checked, whether you have got the demand draft in the name of Secretary CBSE Delhi, and make sure you have mentioned the name, application number, contact numbers and address on the back of DD, and have the photocopy of the confirmation page for future reference, have the photocopy of the demand draft too, and have the receipt of the post office, whichever you are sending through speed post or registered post. So this will be required while you are submitting the application form. You are sending all the application form to the Deputy Secretary AIPMT Unit CBSE and Delhi address by the registered post only through speed post only. So we have given all the informations in our indiacollegeman.org websites. For any queries, you can contact us, and for any doubts on any admissions, on any admission professions, on either in engineering, medicine, agri, law, on any professions, you can contact us. So frequently visit for all the updates. We'll be updating our site every day, so you can log into our websites. You can access all the information. You can access syllabus, sample papers and all the details at one common place. Thank you.